Quality is not an accident. It is the result of a system. A furniture factory delivers 50 office desks to a new startup hub. A routine job, right? Ugh. But during assembly, a serious problem appears. The drill holes do not match. The desks cannot be assembled correctly. There is another problem. The edge banding is loose on several desks. The quality is not consistent. And the delivery is 4 days late. The office opens tomorrow. The customer is furious. Think for a moment. What does this cost the company? Money? Time? Trust? Future orders? How could the company avoid this? The answer is not luck. The answer is a better system. A quality management system, or QMS, helps a company work in a consistent and controlled way. It helps reduce errors, meet customer requirements, and improve results over time. A QMS includes several important elements. 4 key elements are quality planning, quality assurance, quality control, and continuous improvement. First, quality planning. Before production starts, the company defines the standards and requirements. Where exactly must the drill holes be? Which material should be used? What glue is suitable? What delivery date has been promised? Good planning creates a clear foundation for quality. Second, quality assurance. Quality assurance focuses on the process. It means creating reliable procedures, clear instructions, training and standards, so mistakes are less likely to happen. In other words, quality assurance helps prevent problems before they happen. Third, quality control. Quality control means checking whether the product meets the required standard. These checks can happen during production and before delivery. For example, workers can measure the parts, inspect the surfaces, and test whether the desk is stable. Quality control helps detect defects or deviations before the customer receives the product. And fourth, continuous improvement. A good company learns from mistakes. It analyzes problems, finds causes, and improves the process. The goal is not perfection every time. The goal is to make the same problem less likely in the future. But a system is only as strong as the people who use it. A strong QMS is based on 7 quality management principles. 1. Customer focus. Everything starts with the customer. What do they really need? High quality and on-time delivery. 2. Leadership. Leaders create a culture of quality. They set clear goals, support the team, and show that quality really matters. 3. Engagement of people. Quality is everyone's job. It is not only the job of managers or inspectors. Everyone contributes, from production to transport. 4. Process approach. Good results come from good processes. If the process is clear, stable, and well managed, product quality becomes more consistent. 5. Improvement. Companies should always ask, how can we do this better? Improvement means learning, adapting, and becoming stronger step by step. 6. Evidence-based decision-making. Good decisions should be based on facts and data, not only on opinions. If delivery is often late, the company should study the real reasons and improve the planning. 7. Relationship management. A company also depends on good relationships with suppliers and other partners. Good materials, reliable communication, and cooperation support good quality. Now think back to the furniture factory. Which principle was missing? Was the customer focus weak? Was the process unclear? Did people ignore important facts? In many cases, quality problems are not caused by one single person. They are often caused by weak processes or an unclear system. So why should a company implement a QMS? First, it can improve efficiency and reduce costs. Fewer errors mean less waste, less rework, and better use of time and materials. Second, it can increase customer satisfaction. Customers want reliable quality and on-time delivery. Third, it can support compliance with standards and requirements. In some industries, a well-documented QMS can also help a company achieve certification and build trust in the market. There's another benefit. Clear processes can reduce stress in daily work. People know what to do, how to do it, and what quality is expected. But let's be honest, a QMS is not magic. It requires time, discipline, documentation, and change. At the beginning, the effort can be high. People must learn new habits, follow standards, and work more systematically. But in the long term, the benefits can be significant. It is like planting a tree. At first, it takes work, care, and patience. But later, it becomes strong and gives value for many years. So here's the final question. What process in your life, your school, or your future workplace could be improved with a better system? Verstehen ist alles. Mehr Erklärvideos findest du auf YouTube, infostimme.at. Abonniere den Kanal und bleib am Ball.